Hello, and let's tell you what's in the bag this week. I'm going to start with the blue box, which is our herbs and flowers. Look at this nice, beautiful box here. We've actually got some German winter thyme here. I think you can see this. And it's got a beautiful kind of reddish color on the underside as well. This is going to be great. Really, really lovely. And then I've got an old favorite, which is blue spice basil right here. Very fragrant. Perfect for your winter cocktails. I've already got, we've got some blue spice flowers as well that you guys are going to get. So some some blue spice basil flowers, which are a little bit like Thai basil flowers. And then you might get some little sprinklings of some violas and beautiful things like that. That is a lovely box this week. And the next one is going to be your yellow box, which is your microgreens. This is a red streak mizuna. We've got some arugula in here. I'm going to actually taste a little bit because it's so good. We've got some broccoli, like micro broccoli, and we've got a Britain shiso as well, which is this lovely little red and green shiso leaves. Oh, this is so good. We've got our red box. Excuse me. Still chewing. In the red box, we've got all-star lettuce, which is your normal lettuce leaves, Toscano kale, and then we've got a lime streak mizuna in here, which I think must be this guy. Amazing. This is so good. I'm going to take this home and eat it. All right, that's what's in the bag this week. Look out for it. I'll see you next week.